Alright, once again, y'all, we already got the guns. We making a part 2. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on my notifications.
It's a part 2 Nerf gun.
Nerf.
It's a Nerf war.
Make sure y'all shout out to the girl, Princess. Right now she's running around.
That's my Shih Tzu unit. Alright, look at his YouTube channel. Look up him.
Killer Fox off game.
I mean, if you don't know how to spell it, I mean, it's not that bad, but so please look up his YouTube channel while we do our gun war.
No, right after we do our gun match, right after.
And subscribe, please. Turn on my views, give me views. I need everything. You got the
likes.
Well, we got the homie Josh, we got the homie Princess, well, the witch Princess, and we got the dude Kai. But let's get, and we got the dude in the background. The ugly dude. I don't want to. Alright, let's just get started. I'm starting off killing. And the first one of 20 wins.
So make sure y'all be counting our kills, alright?
Alright. You gotta catch all. Nah, bro. I'm not. I always start off, bro. Cause you always kill me first. Tosh, do not turn it off, please, or do anything. Bro, hold on. Sorry for looking at the side. I had to load my gun. You know, you can't go all on the gun. 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, so guys.
Bro, that's goofy.
Boom! I got you, Josh. No, that only lasts for 5 seconds.
No, it don't.
Yes, it do.
Bro,
It's okay. No, you can't do that. No, you cannot. That's cheating. But you was alive. And you, I edit this out too. Hmm? I'm gonna edit this out too.
Watch out. Bro, sorry about the arguments, but y'all them two go play. I'll go take a number 2. Don't make the video too long.
Alright. So Ty, you go hot.
I'm out on here. I put it on the charger. So sorry. What's this? Subscribe, like.
Wait, no, I got edited out.
Alright, bro, that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, turn on my notifications, and give me views. That's all I want. Please and thank you. Bye-bye.